Good morning, sir. I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Brendan Rainier Diadato, grade 9 from St. John the Baptist. Second, I'm gonna explain about myself. I love to play online games and I love also to play basketball. This is for the online games because every weekends I am allowed to play online games, but every weekdays is time to study. All know that every weekdays is a time for school days. My quote is for me, study first before anything else. That's for me. Second, for the basketball. I want to play basketball because when there's no pandemic yet, I go outside and play basketball on the court with my friends and opponents. This is my hobby for my health and strength. And this sentence is for all the Filipinos. So that's why other people wishes to stop this pandemic and go back to the old normal. In my own words, I love to go back in the old normal because they're uh, the coolest days and the happy days. Okay, that's all. Thank you, sir, for listening and goodbye.